Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate your Steam account, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to your email. Once you're there, look for the email from Steam with the subject line that says verify my email address. Go ahead and click on that email to open it. This is the initial step to confirm your email address is linked to your Steam account, which is essential for account security and communication. Now, it's important to understand that new Steam accounts come with certain limitations. These accounts are considered limited until you make a purchase. This means features like adding friends, trading items, and participating in community discussions will be restricted. To fully activate your account and unlock all these features, you'll need to spend at least $5 USD total on Steam. This requirement helps Steam maintain a safer community by reducing spam and fraudulent accounts. Next, open your Steam application on your computer and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu, then select View My Wallet from the options that appear. This will take you to your Steam Wallet page where you can manage your funds. On the Steam Wallet page, you'll see an option that says Add Funds. Click on this button to begin the process of adding money to your account. Remember, you need to add at least $5 to meet the minimum requirement for full account activation. Now you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your preferred payment method. Click on this menu and choose the payment option that works best for you, whether that's a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or another available method. Each payment method is secure and processed through Steam's encrypted payment system. After selecting your payment method, you'll need to enter your payment credentials in the fields provided. Fill in all the required information carefully to ensure your payment goes through smoothly. Once you've entered everything correctly, click the Continue button to proceed with your purchase. After the transaction processes, your Steam account will be fully activated with all features unlocked. You can now add friends, trade items, and fully participate in the Steam community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.